And we're live. All right. So before we just went live, Kira was just telling me about how she's looking forward to, she's trying to remember to keep the 16ths of a cup in mind. So we're going to have some more fun with these fractions today and figure out how to get these added together really easy and simply. All right. Going to tuck through this learning curve. You ready, Kira? All right. Awesome. Over to the play space then. Boom. As our warm up, I'm going to go ahead and make our puzzle disappear for a little bit. Ooh, program was freezing up for a second. All right. Kira, you now have remote control ability. I want you to help us out by doing our typical warm up of counting up to half a cup. Yep. Do it as fast as you can. And you can use whatever unit you feel comfortable with. I know 3 teaspoons is also 1 tablespoon, is also 15 milliliters, so on and so forth. So you can just say whatever you feel most comfortable with. You ain't gotta say every conversion. Here. Let me see something. Let me see something real quick. That might help. Close that. Close this. Close all these. It might be just our computers trying to take on some intense workload. And also, if something happens to the stream or I get cut out for a second, don't worry about it. I'll be back any second. Can you hear me? Okay, perfect. Now go ahead and give it another shot. Start from the top. I'm not talking. You were doing great. Um, count up to half a cup. I think you misheard me earlier. Instead of an ounce and a half, count up to half a cup. Yeah. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Way to crank that out, Kira. There we go. I got it back. All right. Perfect. Got any questions about that? Perfect. Well, let's keep it moving. All right. We are going to. Excuse me. Say what? You said you felt that? All right. Back at it again with some more addition. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. Right off the bat, I'm going to give Kira a little challenge. We're going to mix things up today because typically we've been adding these teaspoons, tablespoons, and cups together. Now we're just gonna have some fun with it. All right, we're just gonna have some fun. So right now I'm gonna put 3/8 of a cup plus 3/8 of a cup. And that should be pretty easy. That's pretty simple. Kira's got this, right? Okay. Nice. So that's 6 ounces, but what's it simplified? Excellent. And why do we have 3/4? Because I see 6 pieces. Yeah, why do we have 3/4? I see 6 ounces. How we got how we got 3/4? What are you talking about? Oh, I'm just giving you some pink. I feel like some pink would fit well up in this equation. Let's get something a little bit more vibrant of the pink. Yeah, I like that. You like that? Okay. That. You're good. Okay, so I see the 3/4, but where's the fourth? Hmm. Um, of how many milliliters? Got it. I'm loving that. I'm loving it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna explain it again too, because you're pretty much there. You know the material. I'm gonna just help you explain it a little bit better. Okay. All right, bet. So this thing is running kind of slow. What's going on, Illustrator? What you doing? What you doing today? It's okay. She's just taking a little time to wake up. That's all. Okay. So what Kira was doing was explaining to us is that cups, like other units, can be broken up into pieces. All right. For example, if we come down here into tablespoons, tablespoons are broken up into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Each area being able to be filled by 1 teaspoon. All right. That's why we have 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. Okay. So the same deal works for all units, at least all the ones we're going to be going over right now. So when it comes to cups, cups can be broken up into 8 pieces, each piece having the value of 1 ounce. And we can see that here. We have one slot here for 1 ounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So if we were to fill up 6 of these slots, Kira is 100% right. We have 6 out of the 8 slots filled. So we can write down 6 eighths. Ooh, what is going on with that? There we go. 8 was... Thank you. We have 6 eighths filled, okay? But there is a way we can write this that's a little bit simpler. And when we say simplify, simplify means less a little bit. And I'll explain why. Because right now we have 6 individual groups. Is there any way for us to make this group more efficient? We still want to communicate that there is 6 ounces inside of this cup, but we don't want to say that we have 6 groups. Can we make groups within groups? Is what we're asking, or what we're saying in simplify. Okay? Can we build groups within groups? So we'll look, okay, well, can we make groups of, right now we have 6. Right now we have 6 groups. Is there any way we can make 5 groups? Can we break up this quantity into 5? So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we still have 1 that's left over. That's not really simplifying it much for us. Are there any simple groups we could put these 6 ounces inside of? And there are. We can group them into fourths. And I'm actually going to explain that again because I neglected to share a very important part. So we're actually going to make these ounces disappear for a little bit, because what determines our groups is not the quantities in our play space, but the available slots in the cup. All right. So right now we have 8 available slots in a cup for each of the 8 ounces. What we can do is we can simplify groups by putting 2 ounces inside of one group, by breaking up the cup into fourths. Is that making sense? Okay. So, say again. Right. They're groups that can be, the cup can be broken up into those equal pieces. Like, for example, can we break up cups into 1 equal piece? Yes, it's just 1 cup, 8 out of 8. We're done. Okay. Can we break these 8 ounces in a cup into 2 equal groups? I think we can. We can outline 1 group like this for half of a cup, and a second group like this for 2 halves of a cup. 1 half, then this is the second half. 2 out of 2, which gives us a whole. Okay? Can we break this evenly up into 3 groups? And we cannot. Not if we keep the amount of groups 8. Maybe if we were to divide it into even further groups, but that's not helping us get fewer groups. That's adding more groups. We want to try to get as few groups as possible. All right. So no, I can't see any way for us to break this up into 3. Can it be broken up into 4? Yes, it can. We can break it up into 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the exercise that we're going through when we're simplifying these quantities. We're trying to see how many, can we take the value that we have and make fewer groups out of it. So instead of having, say for example, we have 2 groups of 1/4, right? And we want to simplify that. We can simplify 2 groups of 1/4 into 1/2. We just move them both inside of the same group. They still fit neatly inside of 1 cup. And we don't need to worry about having 2 individual fourths. We have 1 whole half instead. Is that making sense? Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and bring back out our pieces. We got 1 ounce, 2 ounces, 3 ounces, 4 ounces, 5 ounces, 6 ounces. 6 ounces in a cup. Okay. Or in our play space right now, not total. Okay. So let me just get these organized real quick. Perfect. So they fill up. There are six groups of, or there's six groups out of the eight filled right now. And if we were to simplify it, we can see, hey, we can make groups of fourths out of this by grouping two of the ounces together. And that would give us 3/4. Three groups that fill up the cup 1/4 of the way. And then we're left with our last empty space right here. Okay? All right. We're gonna have that stand as an explanation for now. We're gonna continue to have some fun with it and get better at it as we go along. So yeah, let's just keep this up. All right. For the next puzzle, I'm gonna give Kira another one. Let's do 1/2 of a cup plus 1/8 of a cup. Can you do that for me? Go ahead and just click on the pink to the left. If you click on the pink to the left, it'll give you the color back. Use the triangle, the direct, yeah, use that tool. Click on it just once is all you need to do. And voila. Excellent. Now, is there any way we can simplify this? Okay, and how will we do that? Mm-hmm. Excellent. Okay, perfect. So, oh, so you did an excellent job of finding an equivalent fraction. This is the same 10/16. If we write it up here, 10/16. And I would agree with you. I agree with you. Hmm. Excellent. Yes, five is an odd number, so we can't cut it into smaller groups. Well, we could, but they want to be even groups. They would need to be fractions or decimals. And again, that would give us more groups. What were you saying? You sure? Oh, okay. Let's do another one then. If Kira says she wants another one, I mean, who am I to say no? Okay. Let's do 2/8 plus 5/8. How about this? That's it. That's perfect. Spot on. Awesome. You did. You breezed through that one, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Yep. That's what this is. That's what this game is all about. You ain't see nobody holding your hand through video games like Minecraft or whatnot. You just gotta get out there and figure it out. Mm-hmm. Having all your progress get reset because of an untimely creeper. Yeah. All right. Go ahead and crank this one out. I got it. No problem. Awesome. That's it. Spot on. What? Oh, Shakira said harder stuff. Okay. Let me. No, we're not. And neither is everybody at home. We're veterans now. Veteran chefs and connoisseurs. All right. Let me throw in a little bit of a challenge here. Okay. We're going to have 1/2 of a cup. All right. Plus 1/16 of a cup. Let me get you your, hold up. Sorry about that. Just need to get this thing straight. Ooga booga, aga raga, raga raga, ooga doo. There we go. All right. It was 1/16. Yeah. There we go. What? No, we're gonna do this. I will not accept anything besides the wonderful pink we've selected if it will cost me my life or the cost of the, I'll put the equations at risk. I don't care. All right. There we go. Okay. 1/2. Half a cup. You keep on hitting the Windows key. Excellent. And real quick, nah, you did great. And I want to say hey to Money Drowns who sent a message to the chat saying hey. So hello. And he said, "Bro, I thought you were a girl. We have a girl here. There are two of us on the stream. I mean, at least I'm pretty sure Kira's a girl, right? I mean, okay. I'm just making sure. Let me stop. Um, so yeah, but we got a girl here too. Don't worry. We need to make sure that we attract the male audience somehow. Let me stop. All right. Kira, you did excellent. Great job on that one. Yes, our answer is it is 4.5 ounces. Or 1 cup and half an ounce. All right. Or 4 ounces in a tablespoon. They all work. For bonus points, how about in milliliters? If we were in the metric system out there in France with Miss Marie, how will we convert this into milliliters? Excellent. That's spot on. All right. Cool, 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 cool. You have any questions? Yes, we are. We're doing great. All right. Um, you know what? Since we're having so much fun, we're gonna do one more. You down for one more? Okay, bet. We're going to do 3/8 plus 3/16. Ooh, this is a tough one. But I know Kira got it. You want to know why? Cause, Cause Kira likes that. That's gonna be her new name. That's her middle name. Kira likes that Sims. You don't likes that instead of Lenise? Ah, it's okay. All right, I feel you. That is it. Congratulations. Kira is unstoppable. One for, I don't know how many puzzles we did. Let's just say 5 for 5. She doesn't miss. All right. Yes, I'm sure they do. They're doing great. They're doing great as well. All right. All right. So great job, everyone. Um, I'm going to to webcam. Maybe that'll help our viewer retention go up. Let me stop. Um, anyways, we had a wonderful lesson today. Kira, you did excellent once again. I had a lot of fun. Oh, I am moving. Thank God. I thought my camera wasn't working for a second. Um, so yeah, you got any questions? Any final things to say before we send off the family? Yeah. Yes, we did. We did great. I had a lot of fun. Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us today, family, and we will see you all next time. Signing out. Happy learning.